Welcome to this heartfelt video. I'm Danny, excited to share the magic of JointRestore Gummies with you. Imagine a sweet remedy that's not only a treat for your joints, but also claims to be the ultimate solution for knee health. In this quick yet impactful video, I'll unveil the secrets that make JointRestore Gummies an internet sensation. Dreaming of bidding farewell to knee pains without breaking the bank? These gummies might just be your answer. Join me as I guide you through everything you need to know. While I sing praises for this supplement, I'll provide critical insights to determine if JointRestore Gummies truly lives up to its promises. These gummies are more than a remedy. They're goodness wrapped in a strawberry delight. Crafted with care, featuring natural ingredients like boswellia and hemp, they've earned the prestigious U.S. Hemp Authority certification. Thousands have spoken, and their reviews echo that JointRestore Gummies can be a game-changer. Unlike conventional medications, these gummies address the root cause of pain inflammation. And the best part? They taste as good as they feel. Indulge in the delightful strawberry flavor. Worry-free, they're 100% safe. JointRestore Gummies aim to treat the source of your joint problems, not just alleviate pain. Scientifically formulated to combat inflammation, they offer a holistic approach to well-being. Just one gummy a day, and within 30 days, witness the transformation. Let natural ingredients work their wonders, putting a halt to inflammation and paving the way for improved mobility. Curious to explore more? Head to the official website. A significant discount awaits. As we wrap up, my hope is that this video has touched your heart. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, embrace the freedom of pain-free living. See you later.